Okay, so this is my pulse width modulation based game. It's pretty loosely based on that concept. I ended up making a mesh between a Bop It sort of game and a Simon sort of game. I say Bop It because I've got a couple of different kind of speakers here, besides just the buttons you would see in Simon. I know that the wires are kind of messy, so it's a little hard to see everything, but I will reset it and play through the game a couple times to show what it does. Alright, so as you can see, it'll go through the basic kind of Simon process of things, and it'll pick a color at random and light up. And I've got a piezo buzzer in there, so it'll make noise. So I'll push this button right here to correspond with the bottom LED. Play a higher octave version of that, match it, and because I matched, the little light will go on and a little song will play. And now I will continue with the sequence. Top LED corresponds to the top button right there, so I'll match. Alright, and there's where the pulse width modulation comes into play here. These two side LEDs on the left and right are hooked to PWM pins, and I reuse those as the PWM because they are controlled by the analog sensors over here. So this is a force sensitive resistor, and right here I've got a potentiometer. So let's continue and I'll display what they do. Alright. So yeah, they kind of just correspond to the pressure and the voltage applied. And I'll do one more step through. Alright, and I'm going to mess this one up to show what happens whenever you fail. And I'll just go ahead and show off what the potentiometer does. You just kind of turn it until you reach a trigger point, which activates it. And when you get it wrong, you get a little bit of a buzzer kind of deal going on. And the pattern will start over, and a new game will start. So, that's pretty much everything.